Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am about to go into CVS and do some deals for you guys. I am specifically making this video for new couponers or people who don't have a lot of experience in couponing, or someone that wants to learn how to coupon at CVS. So I'm not going to use any manufacturer coupons. All of the coupons, well, insert paper coupons. All of the coupons that I'm going to use are directly from the CVS app. So you don't have to worry about having a Sunday paper. If you missed out on buying a Sunday paper, that is perfectly okay, because all your coupons are going to be located in your CVS app. We're going to get extra bucks back, and what those are, if you're not familiar with the extra bucks, they are like money. So they're like paper coupons that you get from CVS for buying certain products, and there are different deals on different products every single week, and you just roll those extra bucks, something like you do with the bonus cash that you get from Rite Aid, or your registered rewards that you get from Walgreens. So we're going to do two different transactions, but we're going to do three separate deals. The first transaction is going to combine two deals, and then we're going to take the extra bucks from that transaction and roll into the second transaction, which is going to be one deal. So guys, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell right next to it so you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Please like the video, comment below, let me know how you like the video, let me know if you plan on doing the deals, or if there's any deals that you want me to do. Or if I missed out on a good deal, please let me know that too, because I don't know everything and we can learn together. So let's get started and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so our first deal that we're going to do is going to be the spend 20 get $5 in extra bucks. And let me show you the deal. It's right here, and here's a picture of what it looks like in the ad. As you can see, there are tons of items that are included in this deal, but we're going to grab three. And the first one we're going to start with is the bounty, and that is this one right here, the 4 = 6 rolls, and it's the selector size. They are regularly $10.49, but they're on sale for $7.99, and we're going to use the $1 digital coupon in our app, and that's going to bring it down to $6.99. So I'm going to throw those in the cart, and I'm going to move down to our next item that we're going to get, which is going to be the Charmin. So we're going to grab this Charmin. 6 = 24, and as you can see, that is regularly $11.49, but it's on sale for $7.49. We're going to throw this in our cart, and we're going to use the $1 off digital coupon that's in the app. So that's $2 off digital coupons that we're going to do. So we're up to about $16 if you round it up. So we're going to grab one more item to hit our $20 threshold, and that is going to be the Tide Pods. And you can pick any of the Tide Pods. They're all a part of the deal, and they're all regularly $6.99, but on sale for $4.94. We're going to use the $2 digital coupon and bring that down to $2.94. So that's going to complete our first deal. We're going to have the Charmin, the Bounty, and the Tide Pods. That's going to bring us a little over $20, but we're going to have a $2 digital coupon for this, a $1 digital coupon for that, and a $1 digital coupon for the Bounty, and then we're going to get back $5 in extra bucks. So we're going to move to our next deal. Okay guys, so you know that we are going to actually roll our extra bucks. So I showed you the first deal, the spend 20 get $5 extra bucks. We're actually going to do that deal when we go up to the register, we're going to do that deal second. The first deal that we're actually going to do is this one here with the Poise pads. And as you can see, there's a couple different ones that they have on sale. They have the long length, the regular length, and things like that. But they are $5.99. And we're going to use the $3 digital coupon that we have in our app. So that's going to bring those down to $2.99. But we're going to actually get back a $2 extra buck. So that's going to be like paying 99 cents for those. But guys, this deal gets even better because we have an Ibotta app to go with this. An Ibotta rebate to go. Okay, guys, so I just checked the Ibotta app to make sure that all of these applied. And for some reason, this rebate has disappeared. So it's no longer in my account. So if you guys have it, maybe you can redeem it, but I don't have it. But I'm fine with that because paying 99 cents for Poise pads that are regularly $6.79 is still a good deal for me. But remember, we're going to end up paying like 99 cents out of pocket because we're getting a $2 extra buck back. Okay, so we're also going to grab the Lady Speedstick deodorant deal. And guys, we're going to combine this deal with the Poise pads deal in the same transaction. So what this is the Lady Speedstick. You can choose from 3 different scents. That's all that my store has. Your store might have more, but they're regularly $3.79. They're on sale for 2 for $5. So we're going to grab 2 of these, and when you get 2, you get a $2 extra buck. So we're going to combine the transactions of the Lady Speedsticks along with the Poise pads, and we're going to get a total of $4 extra bucks from that. And then we're going to use the $4 in extra bucks to pay for our household items, our Bounty, our Charmin, and our Tide. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our damage is going to be. Okay guys, so I'm at the register, so I'm going to put my phone number in so that all the digital coupons will come up that we clip to our account. And also, as you know, CVS tracks what you purchase so that they can send you personalized coupons for what you buy, which are called CRTs, and that helps lower your out-of-pocket because you can use those CRTs along with manufacturer coupons. Okay, so there are the Poise pads that she rang up. You can see they rang up at $5.99. The deodorants are 2 for $5. So we do have a digital coupon that's going to pop up for the Poise pads, but we do not have a coupon for the deodorant, which is fine because we're still getting back extra bucks. I don't want to use any extra bucks, just the coupon. So as you can see, the $3 coupon came off for the Poise. So I'm going to pay $8.29 for this purchase. But remember, we're going to get back a total of $4 in extra bucks. So that's like us only paying $4 and some change for those 3 items. And then we're going to take the $4 in extra bucks and we're going to roll that over into our next transaction.
Checking the bathroom.
Okay guys, so here is the receipt. You see we had just gone over these items.
First check behind
okay,
the microwave.
but what I want to show you is there is my $2 extra buck, and that is for the I'm not sure which one that's for. I need my glasses on. How about that? But here's the other $2 extra buck, and that's for the Speedstick, the Lady Speedstick deodorant. So this one is for the pads. So we're going to go ahead and put our phone number in again for our second transaction. Okay, so this time we're going to give her the Tide Pods, we're going to give her the Charmin, and we're going to give her the Bounty. So as you can see, there will be coupons that come up for the $1 off on the Bounty, the $1 off on the Charmin, and the $2 off on the Tide Pods. And then she just scanned the 2 extra bucks that we had from the pads and the $2 extra bucks that we had from the deodorant.
You want the $3?
No. So there's those digital coupons that you see coming off. So we're going to pay a total of $13.38 out of pocket. But again, we are getting back a $5 extra buck. And we're going to use that $5 extra buck. We're actually going to save it for next week and roll it into our transactions for next week. Okay guys, so here is the receipt, which you've already seen a lot of this on the screen, but as you can see, there's our coupons and things that came off, and here is our $5 extra buck that we got for the Charmin, the Bounty, and the Tide. So we're going to hold on to this $5 extra bucks, and we're going to use it next week and keep rolling, because that's really the key to savings at CVS. By you continuously rolling your extra bucks. These extra bucks are like money. So whenever you give an extra buck, make sure you get extra bucks back. And you just keep rolling your extra bucks, and you'll see your savings really add up. So guys, please comment below if you plan on going out and doing any of these deals. If you already did them, comment below. Let me know how they worked out. Or if there's any deals that you'd like for me to do, comment and let me know, and I'll certainly go out and try them for you. Make sure that you like this video, share it with your friends, your family, tweet it out, send it out on your messenger, send it out on a text, put it on your Facebook and your Instagram. We want to make sure everyone's saving, because that's what we do over here at Nicole is Making It Happen. We make sure everyone's dollar stretches a little bit longer. So I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I thank you for always watching my videos, for always liking them and giving me feedback. And until the next time, keep on saving.